if you really want to achieve your goal in next 10 years, you should have your own plan. So I have making my own plan, but before there was no destination of my life. But after reading some books, I have learned everyone should have a plan. So for this reason, today I'm going to share my 10 years plan. So have a seat and I will share more. Okay. So it's a both tree, hazel tree, sorry. It's very popular, no problem. So why I have taken a plan for my next 10 years? Because without planning, you cannot learn anything, you cannot achieve anything. So you should have your own plan in your life. Last day I made a plan for next year and also for the last 10 years what actually I will do or where I wanna myself stands for. Okay, what actually I written? Yes, my 10 years experience, 10 years planning I'm going to share right now. I love making video. I wanna help you to learn English. I have also another YouTube channel, but that is small. But inshallah, in the future, it will be boost or it will be increased more, and people will watch more my video. So both YouTube channel, I will upload video continuously. It's my plan, and I will help to develop your IELTS in both in fourth section: reading, writing, speaking and listening. And also if you are beginner but you want to learn English, I will help you. In the future, very soon, I will make a playlist or create a course, free course, where I will teach you beginning to advanced how to learn English, how to speak in the public place confidently. It was my plan. But my profession, yes, you already guessed it. What will be my profession? I want to be a professor in a university, at a university where I will give the lecture or teach the students, also help the students to learn different things. This is the most important plan for the next year. Also, I love visiting, I love traveling. I wanna visit the all Europe countries, especially including which are European Union, the most important South Asia, America, the Oceania, and even Africa countries in the next 10 years. But still my account is zero, but I don't know how can I do. But inshallah, I hope I can do it the next 10 years, because my life changed, obviously, because I have made that plan. If I work properly, I can do it, and I believe I can do it in the next 10 years. So this is actually the core fundamental, the core plan of my next 10 years, for the next 10 years. And I have started working on it. And yes, obviously I can do it, and I know how to complete it, but this was very large time takes to complete it. But overall it is very good and it is challengeable, but I wanna take channels and I wanna achieve it at any more or at any cost. I hope in the next 10 years, if I live, or Allah will let me live this on this world. Of course, you can think it's a 2005, it's 2025, the October month, the next 10 years, when my plan time will expire, that will be 2035, the October month. Inshallah, at that moment I will also make a video. Have I completed, or have I achieved my plan, or have I extended that position which I made in 10 years ago? So this is my 10 years plan, and you should have your own plans, because without planning you cannot do anything in your life. I hope you have got it, how much it is important to make a plan. So goodbye from this video. This was just about to share my next 10 years plan. I hope it must help you. So I will come back another moment very soon. Goodbye for that time. Assalamu alaikum.